Welcome to DreamVan Atelier, where we don't just review motorhomes, we explore lifestyles on wheels. What you see behind me isn't just a motorhome. It's what happens when luxury, freedom, and engineering stop compromising. This is the 2027 Atelier 1 Signature Edition. Priced around $3 million, it isn't about cost, it's about choice. Produced in extremely limited numbers, this motorhome is designed for those who want travel without limits and comfort without sacrifice. Let's begin with the exterior, because even before you step inside, the Atelier 1 is already working for you. The body design isn't about showing off. It's carefully shaped to reduce wind resistance, making long journeys quieter, smoother, and more efficient. The dark angular panels you see aren't just visual details. They're solar-responsive surfaces designed to reflect heat, helping the interior stay cooler and reducing the workload on the climate system when parked under strong sunlight. The retractable side awning deploys with a single touch, instantly creating an outdoor living space, perfect for mornings by a lake or evenings in the mountains. Subtle undercarriage lighting softly illuminates the ground around you at night, making arrivals, setup, and movement feel safe, controlled, and undeniably premium. The large alloy wheels are paired with run-flat tires and an adaptive air suspension system that constantly analyzes road conditions in real time, smoothing out imperfections before they reach the cabin. You're not just driving, you're floating through the journey. Now let's step inside. The moment you enter, the atmosphere changes. The cabin is quiet, carefully climate-controlled, and filtered for clean, fresh air. The lighting automatically adapts throughout the day, energizing in the morning and calming in the evening, without the need to touch a single switch. This doesn't feel like an RV interior. It feels like a modern penthouse designed to move with you. The living area is built for both relaxation and connection. The sofa is a modular Italian leather system with high-density memory foam, designed to support your body during long evenings or lazy mornings. Hidden storage beneath keeps everyday essentials out of sight, maintaining a clean and open space. Large triple-pane insulated windows maintain interior temperature and significantly reduce outside noise, so whether you're parked near a highway or deep in nature, inside feels like a private retreat. A concealed 75-inch display rises silently from its compartment when needed, paired with a premium surround sound system that transforms movie nights into a cinematic experience and disappears just as effortlessly when not in use. Moving into the kitchen, this is where the Atelier 1 proves it understands real life on the road. Unlike traditional motorhomes, nothing here feels like a compromise. Italian Carrara marble countertops stay cool to the touch and are softly illuminated by ambient lighting, making both daytime cooking and late-night meals feel refined. Full-size induction cooktop heats instantly while remaining safe and efficient. The convection oven handles baking, roasting, and air frying with ease. A multi-zone refrigerator keeps fresh produce crisp, wine perfectly chilled, and frozen items stable even in warm climates. Soft close cabinetry offers deep, quiet storage for extended trips, complemented by a pull-out spice rack, a built-in wine cooler, and a touchless faucet that responds naturally to hand movement. This kitchen doesn't just support cooking, it inspires it. A few steps further brings you to the bedroom, where luxury becomes deeply personal. At the center is a king-size bed with a handcrafted memory foam mattress, wrapped in high thread count Egyptian cotton that feels effortlessly soft. The quilted leather headboard integrates reading lights and discreet USB-C charging ports, keeping devices powered without clutter. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame your surroundings, whether it's mountains, forests, or city skylines, while silent blackout shades provide complete privacy when needed. Independent climate control allows the bedroom to remain cool and restful, regardless of the rest of the cabin, and purified air circulation ensures consistent comfort throughout the night. Storage is seamlessly integrated under the bed, within walls and overhead, ensuring everything has its place without making the space feel crowded. The bathroom feels less like a utility space and more like a private spa. The rainfall shower is surrounded by marble effect ceramic surfaces, offering strong, consistent water pressure and precise temperature control. A floating vanity with a vessel sink and soft closed drawers keeps the space open and elegant. The backlit mirror adjusts color temperature to match your routine. Bright and energizing in the morning, soft and calming in the evening. A heated, self-cleaning toilet with full bidet functionality adds another layer of everyday luxury. Above, a skylight fills the space with natural light during the day and offers a quiet connection to the night sky after sunset. Driving the Atelier 1 is an experience of its own. The cockpit is inspired by modern luxury SUVs, featuring a leather-wrapped steering wheel, supportive captain's chairs, and a panoramic windshield that gives you a commanding view of the road ahead. The hybrid diesel-electric powertrain delivers confident performance when needed and allows for near-silent electric cruising in quieter environments. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane support, and a 360-degree camera, reduce fatigue on long journeys and remove stress when maneuvering in tight spaces. The adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, keeping every drive composed and comfortable. Energy independence is thoughtfully integrated throughout the motorhome. High-efficiency solar panels support daily systems like refrigeration, climate control, and entertainment when conditions are favorable, while a large lithium battery bank stores enough power for multiple days of off-grid living. You're no longer planning trips around hookups or campsites. You choose the destination, the view, and the pace. So yes, the price is around $3 million. But this isn't about numbers. It's about choosing comfort without limits, freedom without inconvenience, and travel without compromise. The Atelier one isn't an expense. It's an investment in a way of living that prioritizes experience over routine. If you've stayed with me until now, you're not just watching a review. You're picturing mornings with new views, meals prepared in a kitchen that rivals home, nights spent in complete comfort, and journeys that feel as good as the destinations themselves. That's what the 2027 Atelier one represents. And that's what DreamVan Atelier is here to show you. Stay connected, keep dreaming, and remember, the extraordinary is closer than you think.